Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to hard reset DELL 7320 Detachable. To erase all data from your device, just click on the Start button, then go to Settings, and now go to Windows Update, then go to Advanced Options. Now click on Recovery, and to reset it, click on Reset PC. Then you can choose whether you want to keep your files or remove everything. I'm gonna choose remove everything. Then you can choose whether you want to do cloud download or a local reinstall. The cloud download will download and reinstall Windows from the cloud, so it will download the newest version and then install it. Or local reinstall will just reinstall Windows from this device, so it will not use internet to do that, but it will still work just fine, so I would choose that one. Then you can also click here to change the settings, so you can either enable clean data, so this will take a few hours, but it will make it harder to recover files. So if you're planning on selling your device, then I would advise you to enable this setting, so it will like rewrite your disk, so it doesn't have any data reminders. But for me, I'm gonna choose just no, because it will be quicker and less secure, but it will be quicker. So for the sake of this video, I'll just set it to no. And you can also set whether you want to reinstall Windows from this device or download and reinstall from the cloud, but I've chosen that before, so I'm gonna confirm, then click on next. It shows you if your PC was recently updated, that if you continue with reset this PC, you won't be able to undo this update, because if you update your PC, you can undo the updates, but after resetting you cannot. And after also like a few days, you also can't undo the updates, so it's just an information. Then it says that you need to plug in your PC to the power, so that's what I'm gonna do, because it can't run on battery, because it's a long process and it shouldn't run on battery. Now read this message and click on reset. Then it will start preparing, and I'll get to you after it's finished. And now the device is restarted. I can restored. I can choose the language, and I can continue with the setup. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.